When it comes to selecting a high-performance laptop, the most important thing is to understand the purpose, work convenience, content creation, editing. But if all these needs were to be accommodated in an affordable laptop, the Asus S14 Ryzen 7 AMD could be your answer. If we were to straight away talk about its looks, the first impression to take away is sleek. The textured metal chases of the laptop coupled with its diamond cut edges give this one a very impressive look. What you're likely to get seriously impressed with is its thin design and lightweight but powerful impact. It weighs a mere 1.4 kgs and is ultra thin with 15.9 mm profile. This combination makes it very handy and easy to carry, which of course is a very essential requirement. This one also has the Nano Edge display, which sort of ensures that it never compromises on the visual quality despite occupying a very little space on your work desk. It has a 14-inch backlit display with an 85% of screen to body ratio. Like I previously mentioned, the overall configuration of the laptop makes it handy for multiple purposes. It comes with an AMD Ryzen 7 4700U processor. With an 8GB DDR4 3200MHz RAM and 512GB of M.2 SSD, the storage is also ample. It also has a slot for SSD storage expansion. The laptop comes integrated with an AMD Radeon RX Vega 7 graphics card. Talking about operating system, the laptop is laced with preloaded Windows 10 Home with lifetime validity. In no mood to make any compromises even on looks, the laptop's keyboard and mousepad are also pretty stylish. While the keyboard is a full-size backlit thing, the mousepad comes with a glass cover. In terms of additional ports, it has an audio jack of 3.5mm, two Type A USB ports and one port each of USB 3.2 generation Type A, Type C and micro SD card reader. One of the most appealing aspects of this laptop is the sound system. It comes with Harman Kardon certified sound system, which gives a very detailed, high quality sound. Some of the other modern features that you might also like are fingerprint reader with Windows Hello support, a 720p HD web camera, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0 and fast charging, which we all know the importance of. So at a time when a laptop is expected to do so many jobs while being handy and affordable, the Asus S14 AMD Ryzen 7 is a very good option.